Welcome to the class of art education painting for the 7th standard. Theory of folk art. Folk art of India. Folk art is an expression of the traditional cultures. Folk artists do not go through any academic courses to train in their art. They simply use and implement traditional styles and techniques of their region and culture. Their art is used to decorate textiles, utensils, pottery, etc. It is not included in the art which is created by professional artists. Following are the art forms of Indian folk art: Madhubani, miniature paintings, Warli paintings, Gond art, Kalamkari art, Tanjore art, Patachitra art. This is a Madhubani art. You can see the colors are very vibrant. They do the black bold outline, that is called a kachni. With the help of brush, they decorate the wall of their huts and the passage in front of the hut. Miniature paintings. The miniature paintings are very small in the scale. The artist do work with the very tiny brush, and the finishing of the work is very minute. You can see in the pictures. Warli painting. Warli painting is originated from the Worli district near the Mumbai. This painting also they made to decorate their house or for the cultural events or for the marriage ceremony. Gond art. Gond art also they do to decorate their house, the wall of their huts, inside and outside. The colors they use are very vibrant and bright. Kalamkari. This is also a very fantastic, a very minute detail work art, mostly do on the clothes and handmade papers. Tanjore art. In Tanjore art, artists use the gold-plated work on the ornamental parts and a very beautiful and a fine details of the figures. Patachitra art. It is mostly done on the piece of leaf and it tells the story. It's about the mythological stories and with the minute details as like the miniature one, mostly done on the paper and the leaf, dried leaf. That's all for today. Write down your theory in your theory copy. Thank you very much.